Chapter 9 More Blocks in Scratch. Learning Objectives. Identify Scratch components. Understand block categories. Sets the sprite position. Create programs. Scratch components. Scratch has several components that you need to understand before creating programs. These components help you build and manage your Scratch projects effectively. Tidbit: the Scratch community allows users to share their projects and collaborate with others globally. Block categories in Scratch. In Scratch, blocks are the building units of programs. They are categorized based on their functions, and each category has blocks that perform specific actions. Event blocks. Event blocks are essential in Scratch as they start scripts based on specific events. They are yellow in color. These blocks are used to trigger actions when something happens, like clicking the green flag, pressing a key, or when a sprite is clicked. Types of event blocks. 1. When green flag click block starts the script, when the green flag above the stage is clicked, it is used to begin the main actions of a project. 2. When key pressed block starts the script, when a specific key on the keyboard is pressed. You can choose any key like the spacebar or arrow keys. 3. When this sprite click block starts the script, when the sprite is clicked by the mouse. Motion blocks. Motion blocks in Scratch control the movement of sprites. They are blue in color. These blocks allow you to move sprites in various directions, rotate them, and change their positions on the stage. Types of motion blocks. Move number steps block moves the sprite a specified number of steps in the direction it is facing. Example will move the sprite 10 steps forward. Turn clockwise / counterclockwise number degrees blocks rotate the sprite a specified number of degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. Example will rotate the sprite 15 degrees to the right. If on edge, bounce block makes the sprite bounce back if it touches the edge of the stage. Example will make the sprite bounce around the stage. Moving the sprite. To make your sprite move 25 steps ahead and turn 90 degrees to right, you follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the motion block. Step 2. Drag to the programming area as shown. Step 3. Click Events block. Step 4. Drag the green flag and play the script. Did you know? Motion blocks can be combined with control blocks to create animations and games where sprites move in complex patterns. Looks blocks. Looks blocks in Scratch are used to change the appearance of sprites. They are purple in color. These blocks allow you to alter costumes, change colors, display text, and apply graphic effects to make your projects visually appealing. Types of looks blocks. 1. Say message for number seconds. Block makes the sprite display a speech bubble with a message for a specified duration. Example will make the sprite say hello for 2 seconds. 2. Say message. This block makes the sprite display a speech bubble with a message indefinitely until another speech or thought bubble block is executed. Example will make the sprite display the message I am a sprite. 3. Think message for number seconds. Block makes the sprite display a thought bubble with a message for a specified duration. Example will make the sprite display in a thought bubble for 2 seconds. 4. Think message block makes the sprite display a thought bubble with a message indefinitely. Example will make the sprite display the message "What should I do next?" in a thought bubble. 5. Switch costume to costume block changes the sprite's costume to the specified one. Example will change the sprite's appearance to costume 2. 6. Next costume block changes the sprite's costume to the next one in the list. Example will switch the sprite to the next costume it has. 7. Switch backdrop to backdrop block changes the stage's backdrop to the specified one. Example will change the backdrop to Night City. 8. Change graphic effect by number block changes a graphic effect like color, fisheye, world, pixelate, mosaic, brightness or ghost by the specified amount. Example will change the sprite's color effect by 25 units. 9. Set graphic effect to number block sets a specific graphic effect to a designated value. Graphic effects can include color, fisheye, world, pixelate, mosaic, brightness or ghost. Example will make the sprite appear completely white as if illuminated. Show block makes the sprite visible on the stage. It is useful for making sprites appear at the right moment in your script. Hide block makes the sprite invisible on the stage. It is useful for making sprites disappear when they are no longer needed. Go to front back layer block moves the sprite to either the front layer or the back layer of the stage, affecting which sprites appear on top of others. Go forward, backward. Number layers block moves the sprite forward or backward by a specified number of layers. Example: to hide the character from the script. Step 1. Move the green flag in the programming area. Step 2. Drag the hide block from the looks block category to the programming area. Attach it to the green flag. Step 3. Click the green flag to run the script. Observe the character gets invisible from the stage. Tidbit: you can use the show block in combination with the hide block to create surprise elements in your animation. Sound blocks. Sound blocks in Scratch are used to add audio effects and music to your projects. They are pink in color. These blocks allow you to play sounds, control volume and add various audio effects, enhancing the interactivity and engagement of your animations and games. Types of sound blocks. 1. Play sound until done block plays a specified sound and waits until the sound has finished playing before moving on to the next block. Example: will play the meow sound and wait for it to finish. 2. Start sound block starts playing the specified sound and moves to the next block immediately without waiting for the sound to finish. Example: will start playing the bark sound and continue to the next block. 3. Stop all sounds. This block stops all sounds that are currently playing. 4. Play drum for beats. Beats block plays a specific drum sound for a specified number of beats. 5. Play note for beats. Beats block plays a specific musical note for a set number of beats. 6. Set instrument to instrument block sets the instrument used for playing notes to the specified instrument. 7. Set volume to number % block sets the volume to a specified percentage. 8. Set tempo to number BPM block sets the tempo to a specific number of beats per minute. Example: to play some music in the script. Step 1. Drag the green flag block to the programming area. Step 2. Drag the block to the programming area. Step 3. Attach if you want. Step 4. Start the script by clicking green flag and listen the sound. You will need the speaker to listen the sound. Did you know? You can record your own sounds in Scratch and use them in your projects, making your animations even more personalized. Control blocks. Control blocks in Scratch manage the flow and execution of scripts. These blocks allow you to create loops, wait for certain conditions, and control the sequence of actions in your program. The most commonly used control blocks are 1. Wait number. Seconds block pauses the script for the specified number of seconds before continuing. 2. Repeat number. Block repeats the enclosed script a specified number of times. 3. Forever block repeats the enclosed script indefinitely. Creating a Scratch project. Project 1. Sprite move and talk arrange the blocks to create the following script. Project 2. Catch the bus. Arrange the blocks to create the following scripts. Project 3. Dance party. Arrange the blocks to create the following scripts. Chapter Essentials. The main components of the Scratch window help build and manage projects. Blocks in Scratch are categorized by their functions, such as motion, looks, and sound. Motion blocks control the movement and position of sprites on the stage. Looks blocks change the appearance of sprites and the stage. Sound blocks add audio effects and music to projects. Event blocks trigger actions based on specific events, like clicking or pressing keys. Control blocks manage the flow and execution of scripts, including loops and conditional actions.